In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename cards in Trello. Renaming a card is a quick way to keep your boards organized and make sure everyone on your team knows exactly what a task is about. We'll walk through the process from the board view so you can update a title in seconds without opening the full card. Start by moving your mouse over the card you want to rename on your Trello board. Don't click yet. Just hover. When you hover directly over the card, Trello reveals a few quick actions so you can make fast edits without leaving the board. This is especially handy when you're reviewing a list and want to tidy up several titles in a row. As you hover, look to the top right corner of that card for a small pencil icon. Click that pencil to open the Quick Edit panel. If you prefer using your keyboard, you can also press the C key to jump into the same Quick Edit flow. If you don't see the pencil right away, make sure your cursor is squarely over the card and give it a moment. Sometimes the overlay appears after a brief pause. Also, check that you're not zoomed too far out in your browser, which can hide small icons. Once the Quick Edit panel appears, you'll see a text field for the card's name. Click into that field and type the new name. Aim for a clear, concise title that leads with the most important words, so it's easy to scan in a long list. Many teams use short prefixes or tags, like a department code, a sprint number, or a priority label, to make sorting and filtering more effective. Keep it readable. Avoid overly long sentences, and put key details like dates or IDs at the end if needed. If your team likes visual cues, simple emoji or numbers can help highlight urgency or category, as long as you keep the format consistent. When the new name looks right, save your change by clicking the Save button in the Quick Edit panel, or just press Enter on your keyboard. Trello updates the card title instantly, and anyone viewing the board will see the change right away. If you realize you made a typo, you can reopen the Quick Edit panel and adjust the title again just as quickly. Remember that renaming a card doesn't change its checklist items, due dates, or attachments. It only updates the visible title on the board and within the card. That's all it takes. Hover over the card, open the Quick Edit with the pencil icon or your keyboard, type the new name, and save. With this simple routine, you can keep your Trello board clean, consistent, and easy to navigate.